Hey guys, today we're taking a look at some really awesome lights that are designed to fit the Traxxas Slash 4x4 platforms. Stay tuned for a future video because there'll be some Rustler lights as well. But for now, let's look at the Slash ones. These are from NGM and some of his closest friends. So this light kit includes front and rear lights for your Slash platform. Now everything you need will be included in your box, and these are 3D printed. Look at those, they are really nice. These lens covers are interchangeable so that you can customize the look of these lights to your taste. So we take a look at the rear lighting kit. You can see it's very similar design. Really nice, really nice. Compact, 3D printed. The cables you need are included in the box. So these lights are really easy to install. If you want to take a look at these guys, I'm going to put a product link in the description box right below this video, and there's an installation guide as well on how to fit these to your trucks. So let's go and get these lights installed, and we'll take them outside and see what they look like. So that is the build complete for the lighting kit for both of my Slash 4x4s. I've just tidied these up with a bit of Gorilla tape and also quite a lot of cable ties just to keep the cables out of the way. If you look inside the trucks there, you can see that there is the cable loom coming out of the receiver box, both for the front and the rear. And we'll plug those in a minute to test it.
It's coming in hot, folks. Full power Slash 4x4 3S. Hawaiian edition. 3, 2, 1, go.
I've got a clicky clicker in my car and I want to, the clicky clicker! That's better.
On with the show. We've had so much fun driving these Slash 4x4s tonight, really have, haven't we?
Yeah.
And the light kits look absolutely awesome. What do you guys think to the light kits? I just personally think they look amazing. What was your favourite light kit?
I really like the yellow ones on the pink body.
Yeah.
It just stands out really well.
It looks really nice, and I think it has that kind of like personalised touch as well.
Yeah.
And obviously the white lights look great, the more scale realism, and obviously the rear lights, because they clear the grille here at the back, like the guard, it just looks excellent, looks really cool. That looks so good. Let's see some power on that thing. What can it do? Oh, that's about what, quarter throttle there? Oh, whoops.
So there you have it. You've just seen the NGM light kits for the Traxxas Slash 4x4 platform. I absolutely love these things. They were great to install. I had a blast doing that as a project. What I do like about this kit a lot is that NGM provide the rising kit for your body mounts so that your lights clear the guards here correctly. And they look really sweet as well. Thanks again Tolu for sending me these products today. As always guys, if you want to check these out, look in the description box right below. You'll see the links to purchase this online and also the instructional video for how to install these from Tolu himself. Thanks a lot guys, I'll see you next time. Take care for now. Now, I'm going back outside for some more fun. So, let me know what you think to these lights in the comments box below and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching guys, see you later.